Jai Hind everyone, and I, Ujjwal Chuk, author, founder, How to Crack SSB, welcome all of you once again to the channel. And this is the OLQ podcast series in which I will going to touch each and every OLQ in upcoming episodes. We will going to get into the detailed insight of every OLQ so that you can actually make that OLQ as a part of your personality. Just go with the episodes, and I'm sure that this will going to give you a very strong knowledge, understanding to inculcate that officer-like quality within your personality. So till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that for all the upcoming episodes, for all the upcoming videos and the podcast on officer-like quality, you must get the automatic notification.
And today's episode is on the officer-like quality, liveliness. So liveliness, very simple I believe, and everyone desires to be lively in his or her own life, but still at times we have seen, and in these days, in this era, I have seen majority of time we are not able to keep ourselves lively. So liveliness, as simple as that, it says that keep yourself happy, joyful, and always having an optimistic side, even though you are in the extreme worst situation, irrespective of the fact that wherever you are or in what kind of a situation you are stuck up, or you are trying to deal it, or you are handling it, whatever the case may be, keeping yourself always joyful and always lively is all about liveliness. Now liveliness is something, I'll tell you the very subtle dimension of liveliness, that is the basis of liveliness, and that is going to unfold that how you can keep yourself lively and others lively. Others will automatically going to become lively with you when they will be in your company. So, and that is the basis of liveliness. That's the basis of keeping yourself happy. So with this I'll cover how to imbibe it. So it's not about something imbibing, it's more of bringing that state of joyfulness within your own self, where your emotions have a very good and a positive experience. So your emotions are a very sweet experience, and that is why you lively. आप lively कब होते हैं? जब आपकी you have a very sweet emotional experience, that you remain always happy. जैसे अगर if you let's say crack any exam, or if you let's say achieve anything, or if you let's say trying to make something work, and if it works, so you have a very sweet emotion, so you feel very happy. But what happens is that particular situation is the reason for liveliness. Now what we are talking about is we need to keep ourselves lively irrespective of the situation. That means if I am in the extreme negative, then also I am lively. So the idea is, the basis of liveliness and keeping yourself happy, I would rather say in a more simple language, is we need to understand one thing, that what is liveliness, from where it comes. So liveliness, having a feeling of joy within yourself, which comes as an expression on your face, is basically, in a scientific way, it's basically the hormonal chemical reactions and the equations of the emotions that is going on, which leads to this experience. Am I correct? भाई आपका emotion ही तो होता है ना. So you have a good emotion, right? So there is a specific hormone secretion that goes in. When you are depressed, in a pressure, there's a different hormone secretion goes on. So the idea is, scientifically, if we see what is liveliness. So liveliness, keeping yourself happy, keeping your own self joyful, is basically, it's a scientific game of the emotions and hormones that is going within your own self. That's the basis of liveliness. So the idea is, what we are talking right now in this officer-like quality, or in a more generalized way about this personality trait liveliness. So what we are trying to learn is how to control and how to produce only those hormones and those emotions which keep ourselves lively. That means the expression is lively, expression is very happy. So how to produce endless and permanently and always those hormones and emotion that keeps us in a state of liveliness. So a very simple way how you can do it. For that, you need to understand a very important point, which is actually an unconscious blunder everyone is doing. And that is, what happens is when we talk about keeping ourselves lively, so our source of liveliness, we make and we search for the source of liveliness. So what we do is, our state of joyness and happiness is something we relate with other things. Like someone will relate a state of joyness with a luxurious lifestyle. Someone says ki yaar, if I have a luxurious lifestyle, he is always happy. I have everything with me. Someone who says, I am working and I am preparing for a test. If I clear, my next test comes in. If I clear, so this is something which always puts me in a very, very happy and a joyful state. I feel lively. Someone says that whenever I start a new project, and every time the success, and if it gets completed with the success on time and with appreciation, I feel very lively. So everywhere if you will see, and if you try to gauge your own self, if you try to introspect, अगर आप अपने आप से भी पूछे, if you look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, what is the source of your liveliness? You will get something in front of you. It could be an object or a person or anything. Now here the point and the blunder is, this is the biggest blunder, that we have made the source of liveliness in someone else or in something else. Whereas the fact is, the source of liveliness lies within your own self, because the liveliness, scientifically, it's basically a flow and a chemical reaction of emotion and secretion of hormone. The only problem and the only thing that we don't know is how to control it. How to produce that particular emotion, that particular hormone that leads to liveliness in every case. So for that, we need to do a small correction. And that correction will always going to keep us in the state of liveliness, and will going to make us feel happy, and will going to make us feel fulfilled in every situation that we have. And that is, we need to break our source of liveliness in anything which is except our own self. That means anything which is there in the surrounding, be it ever a person or an object. So the source of liveliness has to be within your own self. When I say within your own self, what it means to be, it means when you do something, do it not with an approach of result orientedness, but do it with an approach that this is the work with which you feel good and you are passionate about it, and doing it more and more gives you feel good factor, and doing it more and more brings you towards more, it tends you towards more level of perfection in that particular dimension. So the moment you change your perception and the dimension of perception of doing anything, working on anything, automatically you can easily switch the source of liveliness from external objects or bodies to yourself. The only thing that you need to do is just change your perception, and that perception is, don't work from result oriented approach, rather work with an approach and work with a strategy that this is something which I love to do and that's what I'm doing. And because I love to do so, I'm enjoying doing it. And every step I'll be moving forward will be a new learning for me, which will push me towards the level of perfection. I'll be more and more near to mastering that art. So in this way, every situation, every time you will keep yourself lively, irrespective of the situation, and at the same point of time, you won't settle down, because one thing you have understood and told your own self that moving forward is a new experience, new learning, and I'm trying to push myself towards the mastery of that dimension and area. This way you can keep yourself lively irrespective of the situation, as an officer, as a civilian, as a normal human being. So just to keep yourself lively, only thing that you need is just switch the source of liveliness from external objects and people to your own self, which means what you do, don't do it from the result oriented approach, rather do it from the approach that you love to do it, and every single step is a new experience, new learning, and this is pushing you towards the mastery of that particular area. And definitely you will going to be happy irrespective of the fact whatever the people are saying, whatever is happening around you, but you will always going to experience the state of liveliness.
And I'm sure that you must have got the powerful learnings from this podcast, from this video. Now what I want you to do here is just go forward and below in the comment box below this video, write your top 3 learnings that you have learned from this detailed podcast. And I'm sure you must have learned a lot of things. Just write the crux top 3 learnings. And I'll personally going to review the same and I'm going to reply back onto it. Alright? And I'm sure that a lot of people who are watching this podcast, who are watching this video, and a lot of them, you are the part of the How to Crack SSB family only, the How to Crack SSB community, and a lot of you might not be a part of it. But this podcast series is just to give you those detailed insights about the officer-like quality. And the ones who are already a part of How to Crack SSB transformational journey as a part of the family, they must be knowing that they are already going with a transformational experience, as they're talking to me live every week, and I keep on getting their comments and I can see the change coming within them. All those who are new to this channel or the ones who are not the part of the community right now, if you really desire to have that experience, if you really want to get that transformation within yourself in order to start your successful SSB recommendation journey, so here I have a great thing for all of you. Below in the description, there is a link to my free webinar. Click on the link, register for the webinar, and in that webinar, I would going to share the top 3 secrets for SSB recommendation, and also I would going to give you an insights of SSB recommendation blueprint program course journey. Once you will see that transformational program, trust me, you will be blown off. Your mind will be blown off, and every week, lot of aspirants are joining this journey. They are enrolling them, and they are getting that transformation, and they're getting that current of 10,000 volt while they're going with this journey. So if you are committed for Indian Armed Forces, you are committed to bring that non-uniform officer within yourself. If you are committed to bring that transformation within yourself. So here, catch the opportunity, go forward, register for the webinar, and I'll be in there in the webinar. And in the webinar, all of you who are really serious, let me guarantee you that I would going to show you something. After watching that, you will not be able to resist yourself, and you will definitely going to go forward and become a part of that particular journey. So I will also going to give you some special privileges within the webinar. So just go forward and register for it, and I'll catch you guys over there. And till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, just go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you must get the notification for further podcast and the videos. And also, if you really have liked this podcast and the video, please go forward, click on the like video and just share the link of this video on your social media with other aspirants to whom you are connected so that this can benefit to everyone. Because I am on the mission along with the team of How to Crack SSB and the Veteran. We are on a mission to create 100,000 officers, channelize 100,000 youth to become the officers in Indian Armed Forces. So I want you to see and I want you to be a part of that mission. So go forward, have a great learning, keep sharing the great thing and register for the webinar and start your recommendation journey. Bye bye, thank you, take care and I really love you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.